Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art. Let's make a watermelon popsicle to refresh your summer or winter, haha, using these materials, which will be listed in the description box below. First, glue a popsicle stick to the edge of a paper plate. Fold this paper plate in half. Then, using a stapler, staple the edges of the paper plate together, forming a semicircle. Next, using pink paint, draw and color in an inner semicircle on the plate. Using the edge of the plate as a guide, leave some white space between the edge and your pink semicircle. Spread the paint out slowly with your brush for an even surface. Next, use green paint to color the edges of the paper plate green. Remember to leave in the semicircular strip of white space between the pink and green parts to mimic a real watermelon slice more accurately. Lastly, when the paint is dried, use a black marker to draw in watermelon seeds, which are shaped like teardrops. Spread them out evenly over the surface of the watermelon to make it look natural. You could even reference a watermelon slice for this. And that's it! Hope you enjoyed your time with Color Our World of Art. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon!